Want to disable unwanted system apps on Android without rooting your phone? In this guide, I'll show you 2 safe and easy methods to turn off pre-installed apps and improve your device performance in 2026. Method 1. Disable apps from the app screen. First, swipe up from the home screen to open your app screen. Find the app you want to disable. Press and hold the app icon until a pop-up menu appears. If the app supports disabling, you'll see a disable option. Tap on it. A confirmation message may appear explaining that disabling the app can cause other apps to stop working properly. Read the message carefully, then tap Disable App to confirm. Once disabled, the app will no longer run in the background, receive updates, or appear in the app screen unless you enable it again later. This is a quick and easy way to turn off unwanted pre-installed apps you don't use. Method 2. Disable apps from settings. This method is more advanced and useful for viewing all installed apps, including hidden system services. Open the Settings app scrolling the page and tap Apps. To view core system apps, tap the filter or sort icon near your apps, then enable Show System Apps. Scroll through the list and select the app you want to deactivate. On the app information page, tap the Disable button at the bottom of the screen. Finally, tap Disable App again to confirm your choice. Keep in mind that some essential Android services cannot be disabled because they are required for the phone to operate properly. If the disable option is grayed out, that app is protected by the system. Disabling unnecessary apps can help improve speed, reduce RAM usage, and extend battery performance without needing root access or third-party tools. Subscribe now for more Samsung Galaxy tips, Android tutorials, and easy smartphone troubleshooting guides.